So, how can you reality shift in just one night? I'm going to be sharing a method with you that actually got me to reality shift myself. Now, there are a variety of techniques you can use for this, but however, I'm sure everybody knows this by now that you don't need to use techniques in order to successfully shift. Don't get me wrong, they can work, and I've came close to shifting myself using these techniques, but like for example, the double-sided staircase method, the Raven method. But one thing you have to remember is every single second of the day we are constantly already reality shifting, even when we aren't aware of it, or even before we even knew shifting was a thing. And reality shifting is based on the whole multiverse theory that there are already a infinite amount of dimensions out there already, and by reality shifting you're moving your consciousness from this reality over to another reality which already does exist. You're just becoming more aware of it once you shift your consciousness over to your DR. This is a pretty easy method, and this requires less steps than the double-sided staircase method or the Riven method that you guys probably have heard of before. So what you're going to do is visualize your desired reality strongly throughout your day while you're going about your daily routine. Then what you are going to do is before you're about to go to sleep, meditate for about 5 to 10 minutes to remind yourself that you are infinite consciousness and that you are not your body or anything in your CR that defies you. And you are way more powerful than you think you are. Then, this is completely optional, but you can have a subliminal playing in the background as well while you're doing this. Then, the next step, you're going to lay down, relax all your muscles, and close your eyes. And then imagine yourself doing something very emotion filled. Maybe you're hugging your comfort character or doing something exciting. Remember the emotion you'll feel once you have that experience and just hold it there. And set a very strong, powerful intention with everything within you, your whole heart, soul, body, and mind, that when you wake up, you will be in your desired reality. Then you're gonna go to sleep, and then when you wake up, you should be in your DR, hopefully. Pretty easy method. You just gotta remember that this is not the first time you have done this. You've shifted to many carbon copies of your CR even when you weren't aware of it. And that this has always been in your power. And that you don't really need to understand how reality shifting works, you know? You just gotta understand that it does work and that you've been doing this your entire life. Just like when you come, just like when you when it's nighttime and you go in your room, right, and you turn on the lights. All you gotta know is that you just gotta flip the switch and then the light turns on. You don't gotta learn about the light bulb and all that shit. Like you just gotta understand that the light does work and that all you gotta do is flip the switch. And that's the same thing with shifting, by the way. Is that you just gotta understand how you just gotta understand that it does work. Not how it works. And yep, this is a method that successfully got me to shift, and I really am glad that I get to share this with you. And good luck on your shifting journey, guys, and I hope you all go home tonight.